Hi Jorge and welcome back to the English class. So today is February 2nd, 2021 and I'm your favorite teacher Lenin Castro, and today's topic will be about Valentine's Day. So as you know, February is the month of the Valentine's Day. So that's why we're going to learn some words about it. For example, we are going to learn the vocabulary of balloons, candy, chocolates, love card, love letter, a date, rings, love birds, kiss, hug, love, and stuff like that. So, what I want you to do is, while I'm teaching you the vocabulary, you repeat it with me. Okay? Let's start. For example, the first one, it's heart, 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 heart. Woo. Heart. Very good. Let's see the next one. Cupid, Cupid, Cupid. Very good. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Nice. Romantic, romantic, romantic. Very good, Jorge. Present, present, present. Okay. Date, date, date. Hug, hug, hug. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Valentine card, Valentine card, Valentine card. Friends, friends, friends. Love, love, love. Candy, candy, candy. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Okay. Now that we finish with the vocabulary, what I want you to do is, in a white paper sheet, you're going to make like 6 squares, and then you're going to choose one of the 13 words that we saw. 6 of the 13 words, you're going to choose it. Okay, so you are going to make a lottery card. So you're going to choose, I don't know, maybe you can choose hug, date, love, friends, chocolate, and romantic, and put it in your squares. I choose love, kiss, hug, present, candy, Valentine card. This is so tomorrow we can play a lottery. Don't forget that you also are going to need to make a draw about the things that the words that you choose. Okay? And that will be all for today. It's very easy. I hope you do it so we can play tomorrow. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow, Jorge.